In this video, we're going to show you how to activate AI in an existing account. Just click on log in, put in your email address and password. Click on log in. And you're taken right into the social marketing portion of your account. Click on activate a landing page. You'll be taken into the analytics section where you can continue to scroll until you find the landing page that you want to activate with AI. So you can see all your existing landing pages here. And I'm going to find the one that I would like to activate with AI here. And I'm going to choose this one. And then toggle over to activate AI. If I go back into social marketing here, it will have a suggested post for me already ready to go. I'm going to click on post and choose where I would like to post it. For this demo, I'm going to choose Facebook, click on share. And I could write some information about this article here. And click on post to Facebook. Now, when I've posted, I can check to see if I had succeeded in publishing this post by going over to Facebook, checking my news feed, and you can see exactly where this article has been posted on my timeline. So I'm going to go back in and answer yes, I have. Now my social marketing is done. And would I like to add this content to my website's blog? Yes. My blog is now done. Would I like to email this content to my followers? Yes. And my email marketing is done. I've now activated AI on that landing page. I can go to that landing page and check by scrolling down to that landing page that I've already built. You can see the AI activated landing page here, and I can click on it. And you can see where that blog has been added here. If I go back into my account, I can go into my email campaigns and I can see right here where the artificial intelligence has created that email campaign for me as well. If I want to check it out, I can click on edit and I can see that newsletter template, and I can edit it here as well by clicking on edit, but I'm going to choose to let the AI work for me. So I'm going to come back out and click on social marketing. And that's how you activate AI on an existing landing page in your account. Thank you for watching.